Hello, I'm Matt Lloyd with Veeam Software. I'm joined today by Marc Crespi, VP of Systems Engineering at ExaGrid. Thanks for joining us, Marc. I appreciate it.
Great to be here, Matt.
You know, often we talk about that there's not a niche, but there's a kind of a target environment that ExaGrid works well for with Veeam. Can you talk a little bit about that?
Yeah, I'd be happy to. So us and Veeam together have been really going to some very large accounts, enterprise accounts together. And because of our scalability and our architecture, the combination is very appealing to those very large customers. We also deliver the most economic value for customers that are keeping typically a month or more of retention data, which is often driven by regulation, business practices, et cetera. That's where a lot of the combined economic value for the ExaGrid piece comes in.
And that, that economic value is something that our customers as data grows, more and more customers based on requirements or even just data retention that they want to have, that's a significant factor in how they're re-looking at their environments and their architectures so they can harness that data.
That's right. As always, they're being asked to do more with less. So by us coming in together with a very economically competitive solution that allows them to spend those precious IT dollars on other areas of IT versus just data protection.
Can you talk a little about that tech integration? Because I think that, aside from the economics, which is a great story for customers, the technology integration between Veeam and ExaGrid is certainly unique in terms of our relationship.
Yep.
Can you talk a little about that value for our customers and for our partners?
Of course, very much so. So there's really two areas where we have significant integration with Veeam. One is an architectural area, and one is what I would call a technological area. The architectural area is Veeam has a number of features like instant recovery and other things that leverage the ability to use virtual machines live out of the backup target. We're unique in the appliance category that we maintain a series of the most recent backups in their full form. So when a customer of Veeam and ExaGrid goes to use a virtual machine, either for recovery or for verification or for quarantine, we're actually serving up primary storage-like performance, whereas the other vendors in our category are trying to reassemble the deduplicated data and therefore have tremendous performance issues, and in some cases it doesn't work at all. That's one area. The second area is we've actually embedded a portion of Veeam technology in our operating system. And the benefits that this delivers is there's an optimized protocol between the Veeam infrastructure and our appliance that delivers 30% or greater performance over even standard disk where there's no deduplication or processing going on. And it's a highly secure protocol.
Absolutely. So last question for you. We recently made an announcement about a turnkey solution that's collaborative between our two organizations. Yep. Can you talk a little about that announcement? Because I think it's key to our focus in the future.
Sure. We're really excited about this. We wanted to offer our joint partners and our joint customers a simple way to acquire both technologies. So what we've created is what we're calling the Veeam ExaGrid end-to-end solution. What this means to partners is they can provide the customer with a single part number. That part number will bring along Veeam technology and ExaGrid technology together. We've bundled in some support as well with that. So it really makes it easy for the customer and the partner to provide the technology, the customer to acquire the technology. It's going to be very competitive, not only from a feature function standpoint, but economically as well. So we're really excited about it. We see big things for 2019 as a result.
Excellent. Marc, thank you for being here. I appreciate it.